What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode Vespa Gaming. Samahan niyo ako sandali. Punta tayo sa bahay ni George. Nakabakasyon kasi si George. I haven't seen him in a week. And meron tayong tinakbong errands this morning kasama yung ating brother-in-law. But I haven't ridden in more than a week kasi sobrang busy sa work and biglang bumaksak yung temperature, kaya parang ang hirap mag-ride sa umaga. Well, ganun din sa gabi actually. Basta pag lumubog na yung araw, that's it, drop din ang aming temperature, kaya medyo mahirap siya. So before sunset, let's go visit Georgino. Namimiss ko na rin yung matandang yun, kahit ganun-ganun lang yun. Nga pala, shout out to Omar TV. Welcome back to the Philippines, bro. Enjoy. Wow, magkakasama na sila ng Carty Bros. I think as we speak, meron silang ride ngayong umaga dyan. Sana mag-vlog agad si Omar TV para makita naman natin yung kanyang POV sa Pilipinas. He's gonna be out there for 3 weeks. Alam ko ang balik niya I think on the 24th or the 23, I'm not sure. Basta alam ko it's not gonna be Christmas. Just before Christmas nakabalik na si Omar TV dito. Sana okay yung audio natin. Naka mic air tayo. Nilabas natin sa baul tong helmet na to. Siguro may more than a year na rin natin hindi nagamit tong helmet na to. Wala na tong meron pa actually. Meron pa siyang mic setup, pero wala na siyang cardo. Wala naman tayong ka-ride today, so I figured maybe gamitin natin tong ating very first Arai motorcycle helmet. Ito yung binili ko na helmet. I believe this was 2015. So 10 years old na tong helmet na to, guys. Pero kita nyo naman, okay pa rin siya. Let's go. Uy, wala na rin palang gas si Vespa. Tamang-tama. Baka mag-gas tayo pa uwi. Napanood nyo ba yung huling vlog ni Mr. Sarap Vlog? Well, actually hindi na Mr. Sarap Vlog. It's Moto MGP na siya ngayon. Yun yung kanyang bagong channel. I'm sure nag-update naman sa inyo, pero congratulate natin sa kanyang bagong channel. Nag-hit na rin ng 1,000 subscriber yun eh. Pero I think na-figure out na rin niya yung setup natin, yung sa mic air. Tinutulungan natin siyang matono yung mixture nung audio niya sa kanyang Ace Pro 2. So I think nakapili na siya ng pwede niyang gamitin. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dun sa video niya, yung unang settings yata na ginawa niya. Yun yung para for me was the cleanest one. Hindi siya naka dual audio recording. Para yung main audio kinukuha lang dun sa mic air. Tayo naka mic air din tayo right now, pero nakakonect tayo sa Ace Pro 2. Hindi ko siya kinonect sa X5. Mas maganda yung blending tsaka yung mixture na nakukuha niya sa Ace Pro 2 versus dun sa X5 Kaya dito na lang tayo sa Ace Pro mag-connect. Kasi yung adjustment niya for the dB gain, mas malayo yung adjustment para sa Ace Pro 2. Okay na pala tong GTV natin. Wala na siyang check engine light. Yan nga lang, yung battery natin or yung fuel natin naghihingalo na rin. So isang notification na we're low on fuel, tsaka nagbi-blink yung pinaka main gauge. It's been a while since our last vlog. I think yung bukas, Wednesday, it's gonna be 3 weeks since the last vlog we did. I think yung huling vlog na ginawa natin was the ride na kasama natin si Omar TV tsaka si Pogi World, yung inulan kami. And since then, hindi na tayo naka-vlog kasi sobrang busy, tapos sobrang lamig. Let's go! Shout out nga pala to the DJ DLS boys. Christmas party sila noong December 4. Sayang wala si Nick. MIA si Mr. Soprano. I hope everything's okay. Mukhang hindi rin siya nagra-ride and wala rin siyang vlog lately, kaya wala tayong masyadong update. Tabria, that's not it because hindi naman gated community yon. Hindi ko masyado marinig yung phone natin eh. Wow, hindi maganda yung bounce ng ating gulong sa likod ha. Parang kailangan natin ng tire pressure. But I think we are almost here sa bahay ni Georgino. Kang tutuloy, brother.
The destination is on your left.
Yon. We're here. Alright. Tambay muna tayo dito sandali. Mag-coffee tayo. And we'll catch you guys in a bit. There's Georgino. Ang dumi ng bike niya. Goldwing, Hyper, and the R1. Parang showroom. What's up, Daddy?
No, you rode?
Yeah, why not? Hell yeah. It's been a week. Yeah, because the last time I saw you was Tuesday last week. Yay! Oh my God, madilim ang ating visor. There's a way there. I think there's gotta be a way here going back sa main avenue pa uwi sa bahay. So, tingnan natin. Sana wag tayo maligaw. Dahil malamig na at ako'y giniginaw. I think na-turn on ko yung night mode or pure video mode ng Ace Pro 2. Hindi ko lang alam kung na pure video mode natin tong X5. But at least we can use one of the footage. I think meron pa tayo kanina mga 60% battery life sa Ace Pro 2. Pero ngayon pa uwi tayo, I think mas mabilis siya mauubos kasi nag pure video mode na tayo. It's harder for the battery, I think, kasi mas maraming processor na gumagana dun sa camera, kaya I'm sure mauubusan niya ng baterya. Shoutout din pala kay Casual Riding TV. We were watching his vlogs earlier this morning nung nasa errands tayo. Yung huli niyang vlog na napanood ko was about the new Osmo Action 6 and the Ace Pro 2. Nag-iisip siya kung is it time to upgrade. I think ang gamit niya ngayon is the Osmo Action 4. So yung hinahanap lang niyang yung hinahanap niyang advantage or yung makakatulong sa kanya na mas gaganda was the night mode or the pure video mode kagaya netong sa Insta360. I mean, I personally came from GoPro for the longest time. At least yung unat kalahating, no, first 2 years natin naka GoPro talaga tayo. Nagsimula tayo actually sa GoPro 9 and we ended up GoPro 11 ata yung huli natin, or yeah, I think 11 yung pinakahuli kong GoPro. Then we switched to the Ace Pro exactly last year. Na-miss natin yung unang Ace Pro, pero nung lumabas yung Ace Pro 2 na may pure video mode, doon na tayo nag-upgrade. I think for that matter, lalo na kung ginagamit mo nga talaga yung camera for night riding or low light conditions, malaking bagay talaga yung mga bagong action cams ngayon. Both Osmo Action 6 and Insta360 I think are just much better action cameras now versus the GoPro. So it's really hard to say, pero like what he was saying, I think now is the time kung nag-iisip ka talagang mag-record ng rides mo, or just doing it for fun, or gusto mo magsimula ng YouTube or any other social media stuff, with ang dami kasing platform, may TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, kung ano-ano. It's a great time kasi yung technology natin ngayon sa mga camera versus I would think 3-4 years ago was not as good as what we have now. So if you guys are on the fence, I cannot really say about the DJI. I think they really have good products too. Meron tayo nung Pocket 3 and I enjoy using that. I wish I was using it more than I should. Pero malaking bagay na kasi talaga tong mga action camera natin eh. So with the stability and all the features it has, talagang that's all you really need to bring now and you'll be fine, so yeah, if you're on the fence, if you're thinking about it, you cannot go wrong on any of this camera, Ace Pro 2, Insta360, or the DJI Osmo Action 6. So if you guys do get one, hit the affiliate links below para makakuha naman tayo ng commission. Joke lang, wala tayong ganun, hindi pa tayo ganun ka-heavy. But it is what it is. I buy my own stuff too. Nothing is sponsored. Mamaya na tayo mag-outro kasi may ingay sigurado tong ambulansya na to. Let's see kung meron tayong ride bukas. And abang-abangan natin yung mga vlogs na lalabas kay Omar TV kasi nandyan na siya ngayon sa Pilipinas. Alright boys and girls, tapos na ang ating short mini vlog for today. We just visited George. Konting kwentuhan with you guys. Na-miss ko rin mag-vlog kahit papano. It's been, like I said, it's been 3 weeks. Yung aming parol umaandar na. Kita nyo yan? It means it's almost Merry Christmas time, guys. That's the important part. Basta it's up. That's it for us, guys. Maraming salamat for coming with us. We'll see you guys on the next video. Until then, God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.